person get some conkeys. First thing I get on the corner and get some conkeys or a cheese cutter. The first thing I did when I came back to Barbados was I went to find out where I can get some good old-fashioned conkeys. The only difference is I had to ask them, and you wouldn't gonna laugh, to make sure that they don't put any condensed milk or any evaporated milk. I asked them, and the woman laughed. I asked her if she could make it, with some nice non-dairy milk. But listen, guys, Brazil's independence is a whole telenovela, guys, because Brazil declared independence on the 7th of September 1822, when Dom Pedro shouted the iconic phrase, Independência ou morte, okay? Independence or death. But guys, let's be honest, it was the calmest independence in the Americas. It really was, let me tell you why. Because there was no big battle, no mass war, just a dramatic prince with a good posture and good timing, guys. I might get some licks from Brazil on that one for my friends, but it's all right. Brazil basically said, Father, I love you, but I need my own place. Brazil celebrates with parades, military demonstrations, school recitals, and patriotic intensity that can power any entire city, especially if they want to move away from fossil fuels, guys. O Brasil ficou independente em 1822, ok? Brasil tornou-se independente em 1822. Brazil did their independence in 1822. Big up thing, guys, for them, you see, because Portugal, on the other hand, was different because Portugal didn't become independent from someone else in modern history. Portugal is one of the oldest nations in Europe, traditionally considered established as a kingdom in 1143. And I think it was the Treaty of Zamora and recognized in 1179. But what Portugal celebrates today is the restoration of independence from Spain on the 1st of December 1640.